Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. Thank you so much for your love and support. It's been a blessing so far. Thank you guys. Today's video, I am here to show you how to make fresh plantain and yuca or cassava fufu, which is Ghana style. Okay guys, trust me, with my recipe, after you follow this procedure, you ain't gonna buy any powder. Okay, you're not gonna buy that powder fufu again. At the end, it's gonna be like homemade, like the pounded one. Okay, yeah, this is how it's gonna look. So guys, as you can see, no to waste time, I have my cassava right here. I have my plantain. I am not going to use all the cassava. I'm going to use probably just a little bit like this, you know, side of it, and I'm going to use the whole plantain because I want more plantain than the cassava. So guys, I don't joke with my fufu, so I'm trying to eat healthy fufu as possible, you know. So yeah, and also I made some light soup and I have like a little bit left. I'm thinking, oh, let me just finish this light soup, you know, and make maybe more or something. So I decided to make a video and show you guys how I do my fresh plantain and cassava without the powder. Okay guys, all the ingredients that you need is very simple. You need yuca, cassava, plantain, your ninja blender. This is the smoothie blender. Don't use the normal blender because it will not be smooth, or it will not be like a very smooth consistency, but we need like a smooth consistency as possible, you know. So make sure you use your smoothie blender. It doesn't matter the amount of fufu that you're gonna make, blend it gradually and you're gonna be amazed. When you use the bigger one, you will get the bigger pieces in your fufu, and you don't want your fufu to feel like big chunks in it, or you don't want it to feel like a, how do you call it, kokunte, like a betia, you know what I mean guys. So yeah, so we're going to make sure you use your smoothie blender. It's very important. Guys, so now I am going to peel my plantain and cassava. Like I said, I'm not going to use a lot of cassava, just this way. Yeah, this is how my cassava look. Yeah, so I'm going to use just a little bitty one like that. Alright guys, so now I am going to cut the plantain into pieces so you guys will see. Alright guys, so this is how it looked after I after I cut it into pieces. You see that? That is the cassava on top, and then all of these are plantain. You see, I have a lot of plantain. So now I am going to add some water. I'm not gonna add all this water. This is about 6 ounces of water, so I'm gonna add about half of it, or probably less. Yeah, so I add about a half. So this is how it looks. You see where the water is? Let me show you guys. So it's around the 300, you know, see there? Yeah, that's how it is. So, and this is the fufu. So I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to blend this. Guys, it's very, very important to use your Ninja smoothie blender, okay? This stuff is very, very sharp, so you're just gonna blend. Alright guys, so now it's all set, so I'm just gonna blend it, and make sure you want it to get like a puree texture, or you want like to feel like a smoothie, you know what I mean. So just gonna go ahead and blend this. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add a little bit of water. I think you see how it look? It needs some water, so I'm gonna add guys, so now it's done. So this is how it looked like. I'm gonna open it so we can see how it's like inside. Okay guys, so you see, this is the kind of texture that you want. It feels like smoothie, you know. It looks like a fufu powder. See, you don't see any pieces in it. It's all clear. So if you want to make that fufu, that's what you need. This is how it looks like. So now I have a clean my bowl, so I'm going to pour it in here. See? So now I am going to use this plate to cover it, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 8 minutes. Okay guys, I'll let you know when it's done. Microwave it for 8 minutes. That's what you need. Alright, now so guys, it's been 7 minutes. I gave it 7 minutes because it cooked really fast since it's just one plantain. So let's say you're making for like 3 people or 4 people, you can use like 4 plantains, okay, and then 1 root of cassava, okay, and follow the same procedure. Blend it gradually and you're gonna be amazed. So this is how the fufu look like. See that guys? So now I have my wooden spoon. See that guys? Let me show you well. So this is how it looks. This is the same fufu, Ghana fufu. So let's say guys, you don't have the powder at home, okay, so you don't have to stress yourself. You can go to the store, you know, buy this cassava root. Look at that. See that guys? Just like Ghana fufu. See that, right? Then you get your plantain fufu, just like this guys. And then it's done. It's just done guys. You know, I like to make my fufu in a special way, okay? So I'm going to throw all of them here. So now it is the time to form it in that nice fufu shape that you like. Also I have my Sanka eta penkuta. Sorry guys, we call it eta. See guys, that is your fufu right there. Your plantain fufu. Hello guys, you see, you got your fufu just like that guys, and then you got your fufu. Just in case you want to see how the consistency is, it's not, you know, look at that. See that? Just want to show you guys so you guys will get the idea. See that? Just like fufu pepe. Okay, you can eat it if you want it like a big pieces, or if you want it like a very hard, you can make it hard for yourself. Okay, so guys, this is probably the healthiest way. And also guys, if you don't want to make it in the microwave, you can, you know, also make it in the stove. But the microwave one is just fast. See that guys? Ghana fufu pepe. Alright guys, so this is your fufu. It's ready, and I made some light soup to drink wine. Cow foot light soup with some beef and adjune and catfish, and also I have some mushrooms on the other side. Okay, and also I have beef. Alright guys, so this is how I make my Ghana fresh fufu. If I don't have the flour, I make it myself, and I think this is the healthiest way of making your fufu as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And those who are new, welcome to OBAAPA Kitchen. This is how I make my Ghana fresh, authentic fufu, like homemade, pounded one. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, give it a try, and then leave me a comment if you have more questions. Yeah guys, so I saw say we fufu. come and join BBR treat pa. Come on. So thank you guys. I see you on my next video. I think this is more healthier than the powder one, if you ask me, because you made it with fresh plantain and cassava. So I hope on show BBR enjoy OBAAPA fufu papebi. Any light soup. Alright guys. Bye bye.